Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to screen mirror on Mac. First of all, let's go to your Mac screen and from the bottom dock click on Launchpad. Here you need to look for the iPhone mirroring app. Once you find it, click on it to open. You'll see that iPhone mirroring is locked because I've already connected mine. For a new user, let's go to your iPhone screen. Here, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, and there you'll find the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. When you click on it, a search bar will appear where your Mac will be shown. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and that Bluetooth is turned on. Once that's done, you'll see your Mac appear on the iPhone screen. Click on it to connect. After connecting both devices, go to your Mac screen and confirm with your Touch ID or passcode. Once confirmed, it will prompt you to lock your iPhone. After locking it, you'll see your iPhone mirrored on your Mac screen, and now you can swipe through your phone screen or click on any app to open and explore it if needed. From the top right side, this icon will show your recent app preview screen, and if you click on the dots icon, it will return you to the home screen. You can also close the mirroring session by minimizing or closing that window. And that's it. This is how you can screen mirror on Mac. I hope this video is helpful. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.